Hey there, Matt here. Now, I wanted to show you the gas oven that we use. Now, there's two options when it comes to the gas oven, okay? First, this sort of model where we've got the 4-burner cooktop on top where it's just like super heavy duty, okay? Or alternatively, the other option is instead of having the 4-burner gas cooktop on top, we can actually have a griddle there if you want to. It's completely up to you, okay? Most people seem to prefer this option. Now, over and above that as well, right? This oven will fit in any of our trailers from XL upwards, right? And if you're watching this video now, maybe I've spoken to you about it and we've added it to your invoice and just wanted a little bit extra information or something like that, right? In underneath here, okay, you'll see that you can nice and easy get the trays in. It's nice and wide. There's a 600mm wide oven, okay? So you've got a couple of trays there, they're adjustable. All this is like super heavy duty, okay? Now, obviously here, your temperatures, everyone knows how to operate that and so on and so forth. Now, running on gas, this is all hooked into the actual gas system as part of the trailer. I'm actually standing inside our King Kong display at the moment, right? I don't actually have the gas hooked up into this. This is purely for the display so people see what it looks like, okay? This model, when it comes to you, okay, it's all AGA certified. So the actual appliance is certified by the Australian Gas Association, which means that it's allowed to be used in Australia, obviously, because every gas appliance has to have that. It doesn't matter where it comes from, whether it's made in Australia, it comes from Italy, it comes from France, it comes from anywhere, right? Over and above that, once it's actually in the trailer, it's connected into the gas work, okay? So what that means is a certified gas plumber does the gas work and hooks it in. Behind all our larger trailers, anything from XL up, we have a firewall, right? Everything is designed and will comply and does comply with Australian standards, right? So if you're interested in this, right, it's standard, for example, in the King Kong, okay? It's standard in a couple of other trailers, but if you want to add it on, they're about $3 plus GST, okay? You can have the choice. They're around that price, okay? The price varies from time to time. If you're interested to add this on or you're just watching this info, we've got more questions, you can contact us, office@foodtrailerking.com.au, or alternatively, you can fill in the form at foodtrailerking.com.au/step 3, or if we've already spoken on the phone, just go ahead and pick up phone calls on the mobile, send me an SMS, whatever. Okay, so hopefully that helps you understand our 4-burner gas cooktop and oven combined. With the option, looks slightly different, but we can put a gas griddle here instead of the 4 burners. Hopefully that helps you.